At the Kigali Stadium in Nyamirambo, students are waiting for buses to take them to their respective schools. They are going to start the second term of the 2021-2022 school year. They are set to resume their studies during a time when COVID-19 cases have spiked once more. Some children say they are aware of the severity of the pandemic and that they are determined to focus in their studies while also adhering to the COVID-19 preventive measures in place.
I am ready to study hard and pass while also abiding by the COVID-19 preventive measures, such as washing hands regularly, especially when using other books. I got the first dose of the COVID-19 vaccine and the second one recently, and I will continue to respect the preventive measures in place, such as social distancing and the rest.
While the transportation process is being done differently this time, whereby students are being taken to their schools by buses separately from those that take regular passengers, some parents commended this method as it assures them of their children's safety versus how it was done before. This is very good because my child is in senior one and young, so imagine my child being squeezed among strangers, including thieves. But now I feel comfortable knowing that my child will arrive safely with all the belongings. We are impressed by this. Any parent would appreciate this. In the afternoon, some of the students started arriving. Students over the age of 12 are showing proof that they have been vaccinated for COVID-19. Some school officials say the preparations have been completed and that they are ready to receive students while adhering to the preventive guidelines during their studies.
We already had 100 taps at 20 hand-washing facilities here in this school, so washing hands should be a habit for all students, and we shall keep emphasizing it.
Kavutseviane, head of Department of Basic Education and TVET Quality Assurance at NESA, requests parents to accompany their children to school or send them off to bus stations early so that they can arrive at school on time.
We ask parents to send their children to bus stations early in accordance to the schedule that has been provided, because students are being transported in categories. Students should arrive at the bus station at least 9 a.m. so that they arrive at school on time, and again, to avoid having students being left behind.
This week, students that are to be transported to their schools are those that study in Huye and Gisagara districts in the south, Musanze in the north, Nyamasheke and Rusizi in the western province, and in Gatsibo and Nyagatare districts in the east. On Monday, students that study in Nyamagabe and Nyaruguru districts in the south, Rulindo and Gakenke in the north, Karongi and Rutsiro in the west, and Rwamagana and Kayonza districts in the eastern province are the ones to be transported.